Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make white sauce pasta easily. First, let's get our pasta ready. Boil about 200 grams of your favorite pasta, like penne or fettuccine, in generously salted water until it's perfectly al dente. Remember to save approximately 1 cup of that starchy pasta water before you drain the rest. This reserved water is a secret ingredient for achieving a wonderfully smooth and creamy sauce later on. Now, let's gather our few simple ingredients for the sauce. The foundation of a great white sauce is a perfect roux. In a large pan over medium heat, melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Once melted, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Continue to whisk constantly for about 1 to 2 minutes. You'll see it transform into a pale, golden paste. This cooking time is crucial to eliminate any raw flour taste, ensuring your sauce is deliciously smooth and flavorful. Now, let's transform our roux into a luscious sauce. Slowly pour in 2 cups of cold whole milk, whisking continuously to prevent any lumps. Keep stirring as you bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat. The sauce will begin to thicken beautifully. Once it reaches your desired consistency, season it with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. A pinch of nutmeg is also a wonderful addition. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Add your perfectly cooked pasta directly into the creamy white sauce. Stir in about 1/4 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese for extra flavor and richness. If the sauce is too thick, gradually add some of that reserved pasta water, 1 tablespoon at a time, until it reaches your preferred consistency. Garnish with fresh chopped parsley and serve your delicious, homemade white sauce pasta immediately. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.